गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Could you give your valuable speech?
Good evening, everyone. So, what I would like to tell is, I think even the teachers who are all engaged with these little kids and little angels are all blessed and fortunate, because kids give, they are like mud which can be shaped. I think I would also like to appreciate Sirisha Garu for her bold decision and starting this wonderful journey of starting a preschool and helping the kids to have their education and nurture in a preschool so that they can have a better future. And I wish her all the best in her endeavor so that she can make it into let it be a grand success and let many more kids come to the school and get shaped in a very good manner. Congratulations Sirisha Garu for completing 1 year of this preschool. So big appreciation to all the kids, all the parents and all the team who is involved in completing the 1 year of celebration. And now what I would like to tell is a small few things which I would like to add on. I think as nurturing the kids, one of the most important things is storytelling. So we need to build in values to our kids along with the academics. So building values is very much possible and it is more interesting to storytelling. So I would request all the management committee to give a special importance to making a library with storybooks and giving more importance to tell stories and teach different values and different things, because they are very interesting, and that is what in our Puranas or throughout from the very last previous generation, storytelling has been the best way of teaching things to our generations, future generations and to everyone. So I think storytelling is very, very important, and especially for kids there are a lot of things, Amar Chitra Katha, Panchatantra, so many stories where animals are involved, and it's more interesting for the kids. Kids nowadays, they are all used to instant gratification. I think as parents, this is a message to parents that I think we should reduce that instant gratification and then give more challenges to our kids, and we should be able to tell some no's to our kids and understand that it's not always yes, whatever we want will not be given, and that is a starting step that we need to do from the beginning of their journey. And other thing is, so that creating challenges to the kids even in the school and at home will help build their emotional IQ, and in later stages when they are actually on their own, it will help them to face challenges and also face failures and success in equal manner and be wonderful personalities. And one more thing which I would like to add on to tell is, safety about everything. has to be started from our childhood or even the toddlers. Safety about fire, safety, especially kids, they go into the lift and then they keep their hands. I think that inculcating the safety features, that safety is important at home and in the school is also very important. These also have to be taught through different plays, different stories, how they can understand and how they can practice. And the next is, I think another important thing for kids is food. What kind of food they eat, what kind of food they eat. From the beginning, if right input goes inside, then the right output will come. So as you sow, so shall you reap. So if you give good healthy food to the body, then you're giving a best gift of good health to your kids. So what I would request is, try to prepare healthy food to your kids. And for kids, you need to make it tasty, more colorful. The more colorful it is through natural ingredients, the more nutrients it has. So that is one thing. And last but not the least is, currently a lot of damage to the nature and environment is happening. So what another thing I would like the teachers and the parents to do is, we should inculcate the concept of sustainability and make them nature friendly, how we can protect environment at all times, reduce plastic usage, reduce the food which comes in plastic packages, and try to visit lakes, visit nature, so that you create a friendship bond with nature with the kids, so that they will get an attachment and they will also work for protection. And when we do it, so they can also do it in future. So I think these are the few things. One is health, education, sustainability, and then moral values. Without inculcating all these things, I think we can give, contribute good citizens to our country, to our nation. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Dr. Radhika ma'am, and parents, teachers, caretakers, and all my dear students, a warm welcome to first year celebration of EuroKids MIG BHL. Though the first year, the school has embraced and escalated to the rises of success. We have started 10 kids in the month of March, and today we are with 50 plus. A big cheers and applause for all my dear parents, teachers, and our enthusiastic little munchkins who made all this happen. A big cheers and applause for yourself. When I starting the school, my motto was starting the school and giving a quality of education with safety and security. Now I would like to take a moment to express gratitude towards my families. Especially to my parents. My father, he was not well educated. Sorry, I'm getting little emotional. He works hard, he sacrifices his life and his happiness and providing everything for us. And I would like to express thanks to my in-laws. And again, none of this would have been happened without my husband. He is my mentor, motivator, and pillar for this. Till today, you have witnessed your children doing academically excellence in terms of activities, kind of learning in the class. You have witnessed during parent induction programs. And you have also witnessed the children during their creative artworks like art and craft takeaways, and also the sport spirit of our children during the Health is Wealth Day, which we have conducted in the month of November, where our children were really performed well. But today we are going to witness something beyond that. that they are going to witness, that they love for music, dance, drama, and many more. Our children were very well prepared to showcase their talents in front of you. Are you all really excited? I know you are all really excited. Today is a celebration of not just academic excellence, but also the talent, creativity, and spirit of teamwork that each one of us has shown. From the brilliant performance that you are about to witness to the many milestones we have achieved as a community, this day reflects the energy and enthusiasm that fills our school. I should say special thanks to our choreographer, Mr. Tony and Sam team, and I would say special thanks to our team, teachers and caretakers who worked tirelessly to make this evening beautiful, special for you all. I hope you have a great time by seeing your children on the stage and performing on the stage. Thank you once again for being here today, being part of the incredible journey. Thank you.
paper.
You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, bury me. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa.
मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी फैन बहुत मिसरा चैन और रजनी फैन बहुत मिसरा चैन
information quickly, but it can also have negative impacts including misinformation, spread addiction, negative impacts on mental health due to comparisons with others and privacy concerns.
Hello everyone. Today we are taking an interview of famous apps. Hi online shopping. What you do? I will waste all your money. Hi YouTube. Hi. What you do? I am watching Times and Stories. Hi Facebook. Hi. What you do? I will eat your toy. I much $1. Hi WhatsApp. Hi. What you do? You get everything so fast. Hi Instagram. Hi. What you do? What you do? Everybody, can we ask Alva down?
Now it is motto of the skit. There are many advantages and disadvantages are there of social media. This is the motto of this skit.
अब करता తాతయ్య రమయ్య వస్తావయ్యా రమయ్య వస్తావయ్యా
Oh, wow, what an outstanding performance, they did.
பாமா பாமா கம்மன் சிங்கு குயின தேடி வந்தான் கிங்கு டைலா டைலா பிபிடின்னு மாலை மாத்தி போட்டு ரிங்கு கோல்டன் ஸ்பாரோ என் நெஞ்சில அரோ நீ இல்லாத லைஃப் ரொம்ப சாரோ மாஸ்டா சாரோ நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் போயிட்டு வேற யாரோ கது
Wow, what an amazing performance.
special day, we're all so very happy. Tuition, do you say? We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy. Tuition, do you say? Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
7 means 7.5, around near to 8 ना. तो वो मेरा बेटा को मैं अराउंड 100 स्कूल में मैं डालने की कोशिश की. मैं सभी स्कूल्स में मैं गई, रिक्वेस्ट की. 5-6 इयर्स तक मैं रिक्वेस्ट की कि कोई भी स्कूल मेरा बेटा को ले ले, लेकिन कोई भी स्कूल नहीं लिया. एट लास्ट मैं ये स्कूल में गई तो कोई भी बिना ऑब्जेक्शन का उस स्कूल में मेरे बेटे का एडमिशन हुआ. और मेरा बेटा बिल्कुल बात नहीं करता था, बिल्कुल ज़ीरो. मीन्स वो कोई वर्ड्स उसका मुँह से आता नहीं था, बिल्कुल ज़ीरो था. मीन्स ऑटिस्टिक भी है और बात भी नहीं आता था. बट ये स्कूल में ज्वाइन होने के बाद में मेरा बेटा अच्छी तरह से बात कर सकता है. मीन्स ओनली कन्वर्सेशन नहीं होता है उसको, लेकिन अच्छे से बात कर रहा है, अच्छे से लिख रहा है. उसको विथ स्पेलिंग वो बाय हार्ट 1 to 100 बोल सकता है. मीन्स जो वो anyone वो स्पेलिंग भी 1 to 100 उसके ऊपर भी बोल सकता है, लिख सकता है. और उसे अभी पढ़ने भी आ रहा है. इंग्लिश हिंदी पूरे अच्छे से पढ़ लेता है. मुझे तेलुगु नहीं आता, तो वो तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है ज़्यादा. तो मैं ये स्कूल को क्या बोलूँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इनका नेक्स्ट क्लास ये लोग नहीं डाल रहे हैं, वो मुझे बहुत दुख है. बट स्कूल बहुत अच्छा है, बिल्कुल इतना अच्छा पढ़ाई होता है. मैं आप लोग जब उनके बुक्स को देखेंगे, पेरेंट्स तो आज जिनके बच्चे वहाँ हैं उनको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कितना अच्छा उनका जो उनका बुक में जो वे है पढ़ाने का बहुत अच्छा है. मेरा बेटा तो बिल्कुल ज़ीरो था, बिल्कुल पेंसिल भी नहीं पकड़ना चाहता था. हम उसको एक जगह में हम 5 मिनट बैठा नहीं सकते थे. अभी सुबह से वो शाम तक वहाँ बैठे रहता है और एनी टाइम स्कूल जाने के लिए रेडी रहता है. तो मैं ये स्कूल को मेरे तरफ से बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद, थैंक्स बोलती हूँ. और बहुत आगे तक आप लोग जाइए और बहुत सारे बच्चों को आप लोग भी जाइए. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My grandson is in playgroup. His name is Hardik. He is a very active child. He is hyperactive actually. So he doesn't talk much in the school, but at home he comes and tells everything whatever he does in the school. I really appreciate the teachers who give support to the children to express themselves. Thank you.
It's the best school I can see for the preschool. So the management was very good. The Srisha madam was organizing all the activities very well here. So yeah, thank you.
Good evening all. I'm Vika's mother. My kid is studying in nursery. Nowadays kids are in a way they try to learn the things more practically. They focus things more practically. Even my daughter is in the same way. She always wants the things practically. She wants activities more and she needs more interaction with others. Whenever I tried to make her learn at home, she never showed her interest. Later, I came to know that she is ready to learn the things practically and not in a subject way. So I have started searching for the schools who focus more on practical and who focus more on children's analytical development. At last, I found Eurokids to be the best, which focus on their analytical, on scientific, on subject and other activities too. They don't limit the students with education. They make students involved with other activities like socialistic, realistic and other things. So I am happy that I found the school which is more suitable to my daughter. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I joined my kid in Eurokids. So after inquiring in lot of schools, So I found this is the best school and it is near to my home. So that's why also I joined in this school, and teachers are very caring, and yeah, I feel good about this school.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We always think it is a very right and better best choice because education everyone can give to the kids, but nowadays we need education at the same time how to respect elders, at the same time how to survive by themselves. So I found everything in Eurogates. My daughter every day she will come and teach us very new things to us. Like she used to share the things to the friends, and how to cough, we need to put our hand, and these tiny things and all she used to teach us. We felt like not only education, everything is important, like especially respect. So I feel like I wanted to thank to their teachers. They are well trained teachers, I think so. That's why the kids also is very fine and well mannered. So once again I wanted to thank their teachers, especially Dashvika's ma'am, Swapna ma'am, and their principal as well. Their hospitality is also very good. And one thing, as a girl child, as a girl parent, I felt very safe. There is no any male staff inside. So I always felt like very safe, and I recommend to every kids to join Eurogates. Thank you.
So that they can trust someone who actually can take care of the kids. So I would recommend Eurogates.
To go to school, but the teacher is very friendly, Lata ma'am. So he always, after the school, he comes and he used to tell that ma'am has told me like this. So ma'am has, done like this. So ma'am was very connected to the kids. So he's now willing to go to school every day. So if Saturday is a holiday, then also he'll ask that mommy, today is I need to go to school or not. So he's very the Eurogates have taken very too much care for the kids, and safety wise everything is good. So I recommend us to prefer Eurogates. Thank you.
LNG lo undevallu. We are looking for good preschool, but recently year open ayinappude first 2-3 days lo we reached you. It was a good experience and very kind with the children, especially Mamata madam. They will call always Mamata madam. Lata madam. Sorry. It's good to attend here. Thanks for inviting us. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Good evening. This is Hari. My girl Rida. She is doing nursery and she is doing very well before going to school. But initially I suffered a lot how she will behave in school because she is not interested to go to school. She just want to play. I keep told her just go and play. But she always tell her, my ma'am call me beta.
After Asa Puvans, I hope your efforts have paid off. Thank you for this wonderful event once again. It's largest school. My son dancing on stage, it's very special for me. And usually I have to say about school means I have to tell you about Lata madam. Like every day after coming from school, he used to do bhajana of him, like Lata madam. And as you know, when I come to pick up from school, he used to ask me, sir, like he got habituated in home also, like if he do some good thing, he'll ask for a star again. So he thinks that's a prize for his good work. So I am so happy about that. Thank you for listening.
Hyperactive kid. He's the same he maintained in the school and at home as well. And I am very proud of him. And all the teachers and Lata ma'am especially, she's very supportive to my kid. And everyone in the staff of the school, they gave very big support to my kid. And the caretakers also,
She is very friendly. We used to call him her Amama, and so thank you for all the support and bringing up a good, bright future to my kid. And today's event was a big, very energetic evening. All the kids performed very well, and good support from the choreographers as well, and teachers and remaining staff. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ashwi's older sister actually, and she's currently in nursery. Actually, when she was a kid, I tried to teach her a lot, but she wouldn't learn, and I was confused what will she do when she goes to school. But not surprisingly, she has learned a lot, and every day she comes from school, when I come back, she tells me very excitedly whatever she has learned. So I'm grateful to her teachers and all the staff at Eurokids for taking good care of my sister, and thank you so much.
పక్క కుర్సీలో కత్తిలాంటి కుర్రాడు ఆసీనమైన రమోల డాన్సింగ్ పార్టీ వారు అభినయ రచ్చలేపితే పోలా
ఈ పిల్లలు కూడా సేన కడితే పోలా
రాజమండ్రి కాదు మంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోడు పేరు మెసిరి
కుర్చీని మాట్లాడండి
अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे दूध बना के पूछो तो थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय